Namaskar and welcome to Amrita's kitchen. Today we are making chocolate walnut brownies. We start with 1 cup flour, 1 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Gently mix all the dry ingredients together in a mixing bowl. This is to primarily create a more homogeneous mixture. To this dry mixture, we now add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees. Amrita is using a microwave in convection mode. Once you have a fairly homogeneous mixture, add half a cup of butter. Mix well. Add 2 whole eggs to the mixture. Be careful to not get any shells in the batter. If the batter is too thick, feel free to add some milk or water for the right consistency. Mix well. This batter is slightly thick. We will add a small amount of lukewarm water. Just a spot of lukewarm water. Whip, whip. Don't worry if it gets messy. It's truly worth it. This is the correct consistency. It should shine and it should drop as a dollop. Now transfer batter to the desired baking dish. Brownies are laid back in nature and don't require over whipping. Feel free to use a mixer. But even light-handed whisking does a good job. We forgot to add vanilla essence in the mixing stage, but the forgiving brownie allows you to do that at this point. Half a capful of vanilla essence. Vanilla essence masks the eggy smell and adds the more welcome bakery smell for the brownie. Basic principles of baking: scrape off what you can, lick the rest. Flatten and create peaks on the top of the batter. Thereafter, topping it up with walnut and raisin. The walnuts and raisins will sink and rise with the mixture automatically. Magic! Pre-baking, tap and shake the dish a few times to create an even batter. Place the batter in the microwave oven, set it to convection at 180 degrees and start. After 20 minutes at 180 degrees, enjoy the true goodness of the chocolate walnut brownie.